Want to control who sees and participates in your school group? This video guides you through making your school group private. By default, school groups are public, but changing this setting gives you greater control over membership and content visibility. We'll show you exactly how to do it and why it's beneficial. Navigate to your school group settings within the dashboard. Look for the Private Group toggle. Switch it on. That's the primary step. Once activated, your group will no longer be visible in public searches within Skool. Only members you approve can access the group and its content. Visibility settings determine who can see and join your school groups. Public groups are completely open, allowing anyone with a school account and the community link to join immediately without any barriers. In contrast, private groups are hidden from public view. They don't appear in searches or community listings, maintaining exclusivity for your content. To join a private group, users must either receive a direct invitation from an admin or submit an application form. Admins then review these requests and decide whether to approve or deny access, providing full control over membership. School groups have a clear hierarchy of roles that determine access control. The owner has full control over the group, followed by admins who help manage settings. Moderators can handle day-to-day operations like managing invites, while members have standard access to content. Owners and admins have the key permissions to control privacy settings, including making groups private and managing access. Moderators can assist with invite management. This hierarchical system ensures secure and organized group administration. There are several ways to invite new members to private groups. Direct invites can be sent via email or unique links. Self-application forms allow potential members to request access, which admins can approve manually or set up for auto-approval. For larger groups, bulk invites can be done by importing a CSV file with member information. This allows admins to add multiple members at once and assign them to specific courses or sections. Once members are in the group, admins can manage them through the Members section. This includes changing roles, removing members who no longer belong, and setting expiration dates for temporary access. These tools help maintain secure and up-to-date group membership. Beyond basic public and private settings, Skool provides advanced privacy options to give you more control over group membership. The first option is invite-only groups, where only members who receive a direct invitation can join. To set up an invite-only group, administrators generate unique invite links or codes that can be shared via email, direct messaging, or integrated tools like Zapier for automated invitations. The second advanced option is application-based groups, where prospective members must submit an application form to request access. Administrators can then review and approve or deny these applications. In the group settings, you can configure approval workflows, set auto-approval for trusted sources, or require manual review to prevent unwanted access. This gives you fine-grained control over who joins your community. These privacy settings work across all devices, including mobile apps where you can manage group access and review applications on the go. Skool integrates with tools like Zapier and MemberStack to automate access control based on external criteria, such as payment status or email list membership. For example, automatically grant access to a private group upon successful payment for a course. Consider the Productivity Masters community. They transformed their advanced workshops into private groups, requiring applications and payment verification. This strategic privacy change resulted in a remarkable 50% increase in both engagement and revenue, as reported in industry case studies. The private setting prevented free riders and fostered a more committed community. Another successful example is the LearnCode platform. They implement private groups for their certification courses, where access is tied directly to student progress tracking. This approach ensures that only dedicated learners participate, enhancing the quality of education and preventing unauthorized access to valuable course materials. These case studies demonstrate the powerful benefits of private groups in school communities. Private settings can lead to higher engagement rates, increased revenue through premium access models, and more controlled environments that protect valuable content while building stronger, more committed member relationships. In this final section, we'll explore privacy best practices for maintaining secure school groups, along with emerging trends that are shaping the future of community access control. First, establish strong best practices. Regularly audit your group's privacy settings through Skool's dashboard to identify and address any vulnerabilities. Additionally, balance privacy controls with inclusivity to prevent echo chambers that might stifle open discussions and diverse viewpoints. Looking ahead, emerging trends include AI-driven access control, which can automatically suggest approvals based on user behavior patterns, reducing manual workload for admins. Another exciting development is blockchain-based access tokens, enabling decentralized control where members can securely manage their own access rights. Finally, stay informed about Skool's evolving privacy features and updates to ensure your community remains both secure and welcoming. By following these best practices and embracing future trends, you'll create a thriving environment for meaningful interactions.